to Somerset Place State Historic Site. We're concluding our series about restoration and archaeology with a two-part look at the Collins Home Restoration Project. Starting in the 1990s, the original Collins family home experienced uneven settling that was exacerbated by a constant lowering of the water table in the aquifer beneath the site. This led to noticeable damage: cracked window panes and plaster, shifting porch columns, leaks, buckling floorboards and baseboards, and inoperable doors. There were even breaches in and a partial collapse of the brick foundation piers, requiring hydraulic jacks to support the building framework. In September 2006, MacTech Engineering and Consulting and DCF Engineering prepared a preliminary report on the foundation settlement. They estimated a cost of $2.5 million for exposing and stabilizing the house's entire foundation system to deter further settling. In response, President pro tempore of the North Carolina Senate, Mark Basnight, co-chaired a legislative committee that approved nearly $2.6 million to stabilize the house's foundation during fiscal year 2007 to 2008. Subsequently, MacTech Engineering began exploratory field excavations on the Collins home in January 2009 to assess the foundation. Project leader Randy Latimer, head archaeologist Pat Garrow, and Garrow's archaeological team successfully excavated and surveyed 2 of the 3 proposed locations around the exterior foundation. They performed underground structural inspections, collected brick samples, examined the strength of the brick mortar, and photographed their findings. The team discovered that the foundation extended from 2 to 6 feet below grade level and was built upon cypress timber planks. But the mortar holding the bricks together was deteriorated or even missing, and the original brick cistern under the rear wing was actually supporting part of the structure after floor joists settled atop the lid. Archaeologists also uncovered several artifacts during the digs and took them to MacTech's archaeology laboratory for analysis. The items were then forwarded to the Office of State Archaeology for final processing. Finally, the crew backfilled and reset all excavated areas and disturbed brickwork. Additional investigations inside the house identified one location of brick nogging within the interior cavity of the plaster lath walls on the first floor. Their final report concluded that the overall condition of the brick masonry foundation posed a significant risk to the structural integrity and safety of the Collins home. In short, the building needed major restoration to save it. We'll cover that project in our next video. While you wait, click subscribe and ring that bell to receive a notification of when that video is posted, and thanks for joining us.